This is a Slate. This Slate seats 2 and can carry sheets of plywood. This Slate seats 5 and can fit tons in the frunk. It's actually the same Slate. This is narrated by me, Jeff. I work at Slate and just happen to have a great voice.
He really does.
That's Chris, our CEO. Chris thinks new cars are too expensive and too complicated.
A Slate cost in the mid-20s. Brand new.
One sec, Chris. Actually, under 20 after current incentives. Go ahead, Chris.
We took out everything that wasn't a car.
That means no fancy screen, colored lighting, cooled seats, self-driving, self-parking, automatic cup holders. Yes, that's a thing.
But you can add accessories like
little screen, big screen, SUV kit, fastback kit, open air kit, one speaker, a bunch of speakers, big bumper, spare tire holder, slatelets, fun grills, even funner lights. Colors, any color. Really, wrap it in any color. And Slate Access Points means you can add an accessory now, later, or even make one yourself.
It's like a potato head. Wait, maybe there's a better analogy.
Actually, there is. Slate is the chameleon of trucks and SUVs. Seriously, just add the SUV kit.
There are 3.
A Slate is not like other cars, or trucks, or SUVs. And Slate is not like other car companies. Slate, we built it, you make it. Our current automotive system is broken. In just the last 20 years, new car prices have more than doubled. Cars are getting bigger, fancier, and more expensive because of stuff. Night vision, fragrance diffusers, Wi-Fi, self-driving, self-parking, crystal-infused speakers. It's all out there. Know what's not out there? An affordable, reliable, new American vehicle that just happens to be electric. We looked at what the auto industry was doing and did the opposite. Instead of asking, what can we add to differentiate? We asked, what can we take away? Our answer, everything that's not a car. We call it the blank slate. A radically simple, radically affordable, radically personalizable car that you can be proud to show off. A 2-door pickup truck, actually, that can turn into a 5-seat SUV that can be wrapped in any color under the sun or the sun itself. Designed to be personalized with over 100 a la carte accessories at any point in time, or not, because people should decide what to pay for and when, not car companies. People should have a car they love to drive, love to look at, and even love to own. But most people don't really have that choice anymore. At least they didn't, until now. Slate, we built it, you make it.
When we started, our North Star was creating a vehicle that people would love. The Slate Truck is simple and approachable. The truck needed to be easier to get into, drive, and load compared to anything else in the market. And that's why you won't struggle to lift your suitcases into its frunk, and the reason you can easily load gear into its ultra-low bed. More than that, the Slate Truck is the first new vehicle that's designed to be wrapped. If you've ever had a car wrapped, you know that it can be an expensive process that takes days, not hours, and our approach is different. We developed 2 things to enable the wrap process: vinyl wrap kits cut to fit the shape of the truck, and coach lines that allow the wrap to fit neatly without removing any body trim. And you can wrap it yourself, or we'll do it for you. And it'll take hours, not days. The interior of the truck is just as revolutionary. Instead of spending time developing an operating system that would become quickly out of date and adding cost and complexity with another screen, we went the other direction. Rather than learn a new interface, use the one you already love. Slate introduces the universal phone mount with USB power. And add a dedicated tablet if you want to. The Slate Truck can be anything, even a 5-seat SUV. The flat pack accessory SUV kit turns the truck into an SUV with a roll cage, airbags, and a rear bench. And you can do it yourself, or we'll do it for you. We created 2 accessory body kits ready for conversion, the square back and the fastback. They're part of over 100 accessories that we've developed for the Slate Truck so far, from light covers to roof rails. The spirit of DIY and customization runs throughout every element of a Slate, because you should have control over how your truck looks, feels, and represents you.
You know, when we started Slate, we took a back to basics, only the essentials approach, and we developed what we called our engineering cornerstones. The first is safety. We knew from the very beginning that we needed to be a US NCAP 5-star rated vehicle, because everyone needs a safe truck. Reliability and durability are next, and for truck buyers, we know they go hand in hand. That's why we developed a highly dent resistant composite body panels and wrapped them around our high-strength steel Slate board. We focused a lot on making sure that we got the right material in the right place, and our engineering team nailed it. Additionally, we know truck buyers are looking for versatile cargo space with lockable, sealable storage. So we maximized the proportions of the truck and developed a 5-foot truck bed that holds a full sheet of plywood. And that lockable, sealable front up front, of course, it has a drain plug. Our composite exterior panels allowed us to eliminate a paint shop from the manufacturing facility, cutting down on investment and the ongoing environmental effects that a paint shop brings. Slate is revolutionizing the build process by simplifying it. The truck is built in a single configuration at the assembly plant, no trim options. This will allow us to get to high quality volume production. The only choice is a standard or extended range battery pack. The revolutionary Slate board is our platform designed to be versatile, allowing it to transform seamlessly from a truck to an SUV, or even my favorite, the open air configuration. The Slate features a 52.7 kilowatt hour battery pack, 150 kilowatt motor, that's 201 horsepower, in a rear wheel drive architecture that provides a targeted range of 150 miles. Additionally, we offer an 84.3 kilowatt hour pack with a range target of 240 miles. Slate accelerates from 0 to 60 in about 8 seconds, and I can assure you it is fun to drive. Whether you have a charger at home or just access to a standard outlet, you can charge your Slate using our NACS or North American Charging Standard charge port. And I mentioned the goal of meeting 5-star crash safety earlier. Every Slate also has active emergency braking, forward collision warning, and a backup camera, standard. And I'm excited to report that our early crash tests show that we're meeting or exceeding our targets.
Key to our business is building our truck here in America. Our supply chain is especially American, with the majority of parts sourced in the US, including our battery and its materials. Our factory in Indiana is tooling up now, preparing for first vehicles to reach our customers in Q4 2026. We built Slate to allow for self-service and personalization, but we also have your back if DIY just isn't your thing, with a network of nationwide service partners and installers. So Slate drivers will be covered wherever they live, work, and drive. The average price of a new car today is $50,000. The Slate truck is radically affordable at a price under $20,000 after federal incentives are applied.